Hello Aries, this is your reading for the month of October 2020. So let's start your reading. On October 1st, you have full moon in your sign. So on this day, whatever you tell or whatever you do, it may turn into a fight or a conflict or an argument. So you may feel confused on this day, or I can tell that on October it will be full of confusing days. You need to concentrate on decision making as you may make a quick decision here. So you need to have a clarity before you make a decision and make sure that you see everything clearly around you. On October 13, you have Mercury retrograde, so which talks about communication. So be aware of miscommunication or misunderstanding, and there may be a mixed signal also or a mixed message. So be aware of that. You may feel on Mercury retrograde that it's so annoying as you may be confused or you feel confused, but there's no need to be worried about that, as end of October or the beginning of November you are going to get some kind of a. On October 16 you have new moon in Libra. So as Libra is your opposite sign, there will be a favorable thing happening to you in a commitment wise. So people who are single or want to be in a commitment, I see you on October 16 onwards, I see you there's opportunity of being in a commitment. So for the people who are in commitment and relationship, I see if there's any problem or anything, there will be a resolution and there will be a upgrade in your connection. So there's no need to be afraid. And another thing is that there's no need to be afraid of giving or putting energy in a connection here, as on October 16 to November, half of the month, there will be a duality which talks about equal give and take energy. So there's no need to be worried. How much you put energy, you may get it. So no need to worry. On October 22, Sun enters to Scorpio. So on October 22, you can expect a hidden thing coming out or any kind of a secret comes out, and it can also be your feelings where you're hiding or someone is hiding, so it may come out. So there's no need to be afraid. After you get some kind of a hidden thing or after you get some kind of a realization, you are going to get some kind of a clarity and you're going to make some kind of a decision regarding that. So October 22, it's all about getting a clarity. So on October 31st, there's a full moon in Taurus where there'll be endings. There's no need to be worried about endings as it leads to a success here. It can be you are ending a commitment or connection or some kind of a past baggage, or it can be a cycle or a situation which no longer serves you. So there's a new journey waiting in the month of November. So I see in October ending things here, and whatever you're ending, it is going to lead to a success here, and you are also going to know your worth, and you'll be more self-focused about yourself for the end of October here, and you'll get to know that whatever you desire or deserve, you're going to go back of that, but whatever you feel like it's not meant to you, you're not going back of that. So let's see your cards now. You have Ace of Cups. There's a new love or new person entering in your life, or if you're already dealing with a person, there is a new energy or new sparkling in your commitment or a connection here, a positive energy. Next you have Ten of Cups. It talks about emotionally fulfillment. So it's all about, as you being happy for the month of October, you feel emotionally fulfilled. It can be regarding a family thing or a friends or a commitment also. Page of Coin. So there will be, for some of them, there will be a message or something which may lead into a certain degree of success. So it can be like you have invested in a career or something here without having any hope, but finally I see you getting a success in that. As you don't expect anything from something, it can lead to a success. Next you have death. That's what I spoke about. So I see in October month you changing yourself. There's a lot of transformation, having a self-worth and knowing or viewing the things into different perspective here. So I see you seeing situation or things in different way and having an awakening moment. The world. So it's all about ending. So I see you ending things which no longer serves you, and if there's any kind of unfinished business or something, there will be a complete of that. So I see you in the month of October. It's all about ending, transformation, and having success within you. So that's what I see, Aries. Thank you.